How to turn off auto brightness on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you how to turn off auto brightness on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch settings on your device. Scroll down. Locate display and brightness option. Tap on it. You will see brightness section on this display and brightness page. Simply, if auto brightness has been toggled on in this way, there will be the auto brightness according to the day or light. So simply, if you wish to turn off auto brightness, toggle the button off and turn it to the gray instead of blue. Once you do that, you will successfully turn off auto brightness on your Android device. That is how we resolve and fix this kind of problem. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.